What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode. We're going to start the installation with the most affordable option model, the Gator SFX cover. I'm going to do a quick time lapse. I'm not going to go through the whole installation and explain everything to you guys, but if I do find something that's kind of worth mentioning during the install, I'll make a note of that after. So with that being said, let's get started. So, just completed the installation for the first tonneau cover, and they said it took 10 minutes. They were wrong. It only took 5 minutes. Extremely easy to install. First, you start with the tailgate down, and if you notice under here, there's no hardware used. It's literally just clamps. You got 2 clamps in the back and 2 clamps in the front. The 2 clamps in the back are the ones that are stationary. They stay there, and then the ones in the front here, if we want to fold it back, all we do is do like that. It locks in. Pull the other one down. It's just on a spring. It's a spring-loaded clamp, just like that. And then it's a tri-fold, so it folds back. Now, the only negative to this one is it's either all the way closed or all the way open. You can't have it halfway like this. You have to fold it all the way back. And then it does come with latches here, so you can latch it in both places, as you can see. This doesn't come up anymore. It's always going to stay on the truck. So if you want to have the bed open while you're driving, you're only going to get 2/3 of the bed open. I think the pros outweigh the cons on this in the fact that it's easy to install, like super easy. So you could probably just take it off. Instead of folding it up into a third, you can just take the whole thing off. Really simple. So if you don't want it on the bed at all, it's easy to take off. It does seal very nice. They do provide extra weather stripping here for your tailgate, because your factory tailgate doesn't have any seal. They provide that if you don't want to get any water in the bed. When your bed is closed like that, you can't really pull it up and get anything in here. Like it does protect whatever in the bed from like theft, but somebody could take a razor blade and cut this top if they wanted to. It's not really completely theft proof. So if you're looking for a theft-proof cover, this is probably not a good option for you. But if you just want a simple cover to keep the weather and rain out, this is probably your best option. This is the most affordable option out of all 3 of them. It's the lightest option too and easiest to install. So if you guys are in the market for a tonneau cover, probably while you're watching this video, go check out Real Truck, and you can see all the different tonneau covers. You can price out your own, see which one is best suited for you and what you're going to use it for on your truck. And if you're looking for other truck accessories, pretty much anything truck, that is where you're going to find it on Real Truck. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a big old thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more truck content. And as always, have a great day.